I'm Richard. My position in the company is site manager since February last year. What can I say about Almelo? A lot of production is here. A lot of production people are working and living in Almelo. In Almelo we produce boxes from the sheets that we get delivered from Ranheim in Norway. We make different kind of food products. We do a lot for fish and chicken, and our box sizes are different, depends on the customer's wishes. I think one of the other big differences is the size. We are here with 50 people, and in Ranheim we have 240. That makes it another ball game. For me, it's all about the people. I feel myself as on the same level as the rest. If you look at the people that work here, it's the loyalty that we have here. We recently had an anniversary of a guy that worked here for 50 years, 50, and that says something. The people that you find in this facility are motivated people, loyal. The majority of the people that we have here are special. Many of them are very skilled and they want to feel that they are part of the company. They want to be seen.